Charles Henson here. Today I'm going to show you how to install the IE plugin for Internet Explorer. The reason you might want to do this is so that you'll have Google at the top of your Internet Explorer so you can do a quick search from anywhere. So the first thing we want to do is go to google.com/toolbar. And then we're actually going to click on the toolbar beta and then click on download Google Toolbar. And you can let Google be your default search engine and your default homepage if you choose, or you can remove these check marks if you don't. You want to click yes to install the software onto your local machine. And once it does this, it will ask us to close out the browser. Once this is installed, what we'll have to do is we'll have to restart the browser. Once the browser is restarted, you'll notice at the top of your screen up here, Google now has a toolbar. Now that you've installed the toolbar, you have quick access to do a Google search from the top of your web browser, as well as full access to Gmail and a quick link to Google+.